Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. And today I am back at Cedar. I purchased a little bit of cedar here, as you can tell, and my setup is I bring in the lumber. I have 5 piles to choose from, and my finished product, and I cover it so it doesn't crack up, and that's my recent product there from yesterday. I have to actually clean it up and tarp it. I don't like to leave sawdust on my stuff, right, because it stains. And yeah, let's see what we can do today. Okay, just for a reference, this log is only, I could maybe make a 4x4 out of it, I don't know yet. Okay, so these are my levers over here. That's to roll it over and bring up the dogs. This is my clamps. This is my log lifter over here, and this one's for my leveling of the log. You can see the clamp turning the log over. And I'm limited to, these are 12 inches. If I cut below, I snap these off. This is 6 inches, but I can go 2 3/4 with this attachment on there. And now I'm going to tighten up the clamp. Okay. So I'm just going to creep up on it, see what I can get out of it. So I wanted to make a 4x4, so I'm going to go maybe 4 5/8 and then take the rest off, just sneaking up on it. A little bit of water. Let it cut. I'm going at it at 4. Okay, so by the looks of it, I can't get a 4x4, but I can get a 2x4 and a board. So 2x4 and a board it is. So, I was right. A 2x4, 2x4 and a board. Sorry about the wind. These are the conditions I'm working in. So that log gave me a 2x4 and a board. And I'm always 5/4. The rest is 2x4, 2x6, 2x, right? 2x, oh, what happened here? There, I knew it. Yeah, 2x4. Okay, so this is what I've done so far. About an hour, but the thing is there's so much sneaking up on the measurements that it consumes a lot of time. I don't know how to say this. Better logs take less time to saw up and you get what you want. These smaller logs, they're a lot of work. And these are the cracks that I was dreading, right? This would have been a nice board. That doesn't matter. I could have got some slats, but no, there's a crack going through it. So I get a little chunk there, and I get another slat here, and that's it. Now, if everything's like that, I've lost. So, a little update. This is the time I have on the clock. And this is what I've done. I'm up to this, and I had lunch in between, so I'm still getting those cracks through my lumber. I'm gonna have to go through that stuff, which I shouldn't have to, and do selective cutting. I'm not happy. That's what's left of that.
Ba-ba-da.